Happy Sunday, YouTube. So this is a really short video, you guys. I did not get to record an intro for this video because I actually had company. And that was entertaining company and running around with kids. So in the midst of cooking, I had to make sure the little ones were good. And occupied, having fun. So I did not get to record an intro for this video, so this is going to be the intro for this video. I saw this I was seeing all types of dishes with like an Alfredo, but the Alfredo had two meats in it, so it was like steak and shrimp. So I said, I got steak in the freezer that needs to be used, and then I could go pick up some shrimp. And not only that, like I had some heavy whipping cream. I had like all the ingredients that I needed to make this dish besides the Parmesan and what else did I need? The Parmesan, the shrimp, and I had to buy one more thing for that. I think I did have to buy like another little small thing of whipping cream. I did. So I had all the seasonings and everything. So I said, I'm going to make that pasta. So I made that pasta, and I included some snippets of me making the whole pasta along the way. And I included those snippets in the video. And then at the end, I just kind of described it a little bit. So the seasonings that I used, I don't think I pretty much said them that much in the video, but the seasonings that I used were pretty much along the Cajun seasonings. I used the same seasonings for the steak and the shrimp. Besides, and I think I mentioned this at the end of the video, so you guys just stay tuned if you want to see like what seasonings I use for both of those. And then for the Alfredo, you guys know I make my Alfredo sauce from scratch. I have been seeing a lot of people just cook the noodles and then mix the noodles in the sauce once the sauce is done. So I made the sauce after I cooked my noodles. I drained the noodles. I made the sauce in my big skillet. The sauce consisted of the heavy whipping cream, of course, the Parmesan, some Slap Your Mama, garlic salt, garlic powder, and onion powder, and regular pepper. And then what I did, I mixed all of that together. Oh yeah, not to mention regular garlic, y'all. Regular garlic. And I mixed all of that together to make my Alfredo sauce. And then once that was done and nice and cheesy, I mixed in the noodles. And then I mixed in my meats. Now, the only place that I went wrong with this is because I cooked my steak a little late. Now, my steak should have fully been done and ready to just throw on top of the noodles once the noodles got ready. But no, my behind wound up cooking the steak last minute. So the noodles was already ready, the shrimp was ready, but the steak was not ready. And then I cooked the steak. And then what happened was my noodles was already done and in the sauce. And then by the time I threw the steak in the sauce, my noodles were breaking apart. So still delicious, still very delicious and tasty, but my noodles were breaking apart. So, I mean, overall delicious recipe. Just don't let your noodles stay in, yeah. Bruh. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Just enjoy the video.
Let you wash your hands.
Really? All right, guys. This is the end results.
I feel like it's Parmesan bread bites.
What? Bruh. This is my Alfredo. If you guys want to have some sauce on the side, definitely save some sauce on the side because you may need it. But this is my steak and shrimp Alfredo. The Alfredo sauce was made from scratch. I used Parmesan cheese, heavy whipping cream, garlic, onion powder, garlic salt, of course, garlic powder, and some slap your mama and pepper. And that made my sauce. And then I seasoned the shrimp and steak with exactly the same exact seasoning. We used Cajun. Oh my God, cutie cutie. We used Cajun seasoning from, I'm trying to think, where's this Cajun seasoning? Well, we used Slap Your Mama, which is a Cajun seasoning. We used black pepper. We used garlic powder. We used onion salt. We used onion powder. We used meat tenderizer for the steak. We used the Weber's New Orleans Cajun seasoning, you guys. And then we used Montreal steak seasoning for the steak as well. We used all those seasonings except for the steak seasoning for the shrimp. And then we added some red crushed pepper with the shrimp seasonings as well. We didn't use those for the steak bites though. And that is the final result for this dish. So yeah, you guys, I know I didn't really show much of the cooking process, so this is going to be like a really, really short video. This is my plate. I did just go ahead and top it with some more Parmesan cheese. You guys are more than welcome, like I said, to top it with some more sauce if you have sauce and go from there. But yeah, this is kind of where I'm going. Kind of make this video a little bit longer. We have started the decorations. So
mommy,
stay tuned for those videos to be coming starting in December 1st. Hello. Did y'all push the couch over? Why does this look so awkward? Y'all pushed the couch down.
No, but Grayson did it.
Oh my God.
Bruh.
He pushed the couch back.
I didn't do it.
Kitty, push the couch back. The chair legs are not on here properly. So you could fall at any minute. Get up, cutie. I have to fix this.
Did you already?
But yeah, guys, tons of DIYs coming soon. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. What kind of game is this? What the heck just happened? What kind of game is this? Yo, life of Roblox is hilarious. Oh my God. What in the world, man? Anyways, yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stay tuned, you guys, for next week. Like I said, a ton of DIYs are coming. I know I just showed you guys the tree, but you will not get like any insight on like kind of what these themes are going to be until December 1st. So stay tuned, you guys. But that's the end of this video. Hope you guys enjoyed this shrimp and steak Cajun pasta. Until next time, see ya.